You were born to explore, with eyes wide open in search of the next great adventure. In your Subaru Crosstrek, seek and you shall find. When it's time to push your limits, the Crosstrek Wilderness, with its rugged off-road style, will help you answer the call of adventure. Discover new places or navigate the great outdoors with genuine Subaru accessories. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Let's take a closer look at just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories available for the Subaru Crosstrek and Crosstrek Wilderness. Your Subaru Crosstrek is versatile, reliable, and ready for the long haul. Help protect it from the rigors of the road with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Let's take a look at a few of them now. Engineered to precisely fit the Crosstrek footwell area, all-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. And the carpeted floor mats help protect the vehicle carpet and have an embroidered logo and colored stitching, which add to the appearance of the cabin area. Door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off the inside of your doors. The front seat cover keeps your front seats protected from spills, stains, dust, and dirt. With a full coverage design, they also help protect the seatbacks and seatback pocket from wear and tear. And the rear seatback protector provides additional protection to the rear seatbacks when you need to lower the back seats to transport larger cargo. Special edition for the Crosstrek Wilderness has a rugged appearance and includes the Subaru Wilderness logo. Color matched and designed to complement the styling of your Crosstrek, body side moldings help protect your doors from dents. Door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. Splash guards help protect the paint finish from stones and road grime. And mud flaps not only preserve your paint finish, but also help protect the undercarriage from rust and corrosion, help minimize water, dirt, and mud spray, and prevent minor road debris from kicking up behind your vehicle. Special edition mud flaps are also available to complement the rugged features of the Crosstrek Wilderness. Feel right at home on the road. Settle into your surroundings with genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories to add ease and enjoyment wherever you may roam. Here are just a few from this collection. Start your Crosstrek with the push of a button to adjust interior temperature before even entering the vehicle. The sunshade helps reduce the interior temperature of your Crosstrek up to 40 degrees, ideal for warm weather travels. And the second row sunshade dulls sun glare and provides UVA and B protection for your rear passengers. Keep your items organized and secure in the back of your Crosstrek with the cargo net. And help protect the cargo area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes with the cargo tray. The tray surface also helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. When a little extra height is required for access to close the rear gate, the rear gate assist handle is designed for easier closing operation and is constructed with carefully selected materials for durability and a soft, comfortable grip. The upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions and also features an 8-point digital compass. Hold your mobile phone in either portrait or landscape position with the phone holder cup holder mounted. It can be tilted at a variety of angles and includes a tray to conveniently hold small personal belongings. Take the terrain in stride in your Subaru Crosstrek, and when next-level adventures await, bring along all you need to expand your horizons with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule. The Thule rooftop tent transforms your Crosstrek into a home away from home. It not only provides more living space, but it gives you more space for your gear. Easy to deploy once you complete the setup, the tent comfortably sleeps up to 3 people, features panoramic skylights and windows to keep you cool and the tent well ventilated. Plus, with the removable rain cover, you can protect yourself from the elements without impacting your view to the environment. The roof-mounted awning by Thule not only provides shelter from sun and rain, but also expands your living space on any outdoor adventure. The awning can be used in conjunction with the Thule rooftop tent or other genuine Subaru lifestyle rooftop accessories. Add a crossbar set to increase your cargo carrying capabilities, There are 3 to choose from depending on what Crosstrek you drive and on your style and function preferences: fixed, aero, or aero extended. Carry all the gear you need as you set your sights on the road less traveled. Choose from the Thule Cargo Carrier, Thule Cargo Carrier Extended, or heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage, or carrier specifically designed to haul your kayak, or paddleboard for your water adventures, or a carrier designed to transport your skis or snowboards. There are also a variety of bike carriers for you to choose from. Carry your bikes from above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Haul your bikes behind you with the hitch platform bike carrier, or the hitch-mounted bike carrier, available with either 2-bike or 4-bike capacity. Add a little attitude with genuine STI accessories as you accelerate towards your next adventure. Let's take a look at a few from this collection. The STI roof spoiler with its crystal black silica finish and STI logo adds a sporty touch to the Crosstrek. The STI alloy wheel set is finished in black to help give your Crosstrek the perfect blend of attitude and style. Give the interior of your Crosstrek a sporty appearance with the cherry red STI starter switch. And with the STI leather shift knob, crafted with leather, red stitching, and a metallic accent. One look at the Subaru Crosstrek and you know it's up for anything. With genuine Subaru style accessories, you can let your personality radiate. Let's check out a few of them now. Add a soft blue glow to illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area with the footwell illumination kit. And enhance the illumination of the map, visor, and dome lights with bright white interior lighting with the LED upgrade. The rear gate light significantly enhances nighttime visibility in the cargo area with bright white LED lighting. This integrated solution is designed specifically for the Subaru Crosstrek. And the illuminated side sill plates, engineered to stand up to everyday wear and tear, feature the Crosstrek logo in bright white lighting, adding an attractive accent to the door sills. When life leads you to explore, bring your furry family along in safety and comfort with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Here are just a few from this collection. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can be used as a car seat to keep your pet safe during any road trip. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area of the vehicle. They're both ideal for travel and everyday transport. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness, designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. The pet ramp is especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues and allows easy vehicle entrance and exit. When not in use, the ramp folds down to store in the cargo area. Help keep the interior of your Crosstrek protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector. Seat cover rear, pet rear door protector, and console lid protector. And give your pet a comfortable resting area while protecting the cargo area and seat backs with the pet-friendly padded cargo liner. Thanks for taking the time to see just a few genuine Subaru accessories that are now available. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru Crosstrek. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.